First on our list is Adobe Illustrator. Known for its versatility, Adobe Illustrator is a favorite among designers for creating detailed and customizable patterns. With its array of vector tools, you can draft, modify, and perfect your designs with precision. Next up is CLO 3D. This advanced software allows you to design, visualize, and simulate garments in 3D. CLO 3D is perfect for seeing how your patterns will look on a virtual model, making adjustments easy before you even cut your fabric. Our third recommendation is Browseware. Like CLO 3D, Browseware offers powerful 3D visualization tools. It's highly regarded in the industry for its accuracy and ability to streamline the pattern making and fitting process. Coming in fourth is Pattern Maker. This software is designed specifically for creating sewing patterns. With a user-friendly interface, Pattern Maker allows you to draft custom patterns from scratch or adjust existing templates to fit your measurements perfectly. Finally, we have Valentina. This open-source software is great for those looking for a free yet powerful pattern-making tool. Valentina allows you to create custom-fit patterns based on your measurements and offers a range of features to refine your designs.
This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sewing business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sewers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sewers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. The guide is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.